This is the Howard Johnson family suite, room number 1602 on the 6th floor of the HoJo.
Oh, you can get a blanket.
You walk in to the children's area. They have their own bathroom. It's a decent amount of space. Very nice. And on the other side is the parents' suite. Both rooms have a bathroom, which is nice. The parents' suite only has a shower, which is fine by me. Overlooks the freeway, which is not ideal, but it's very quiet in here. Let's see. And another oddity is that both balconies enter through the closet. And it's relatively small given the space between the big glass door here. Helps with soundproofing. So you're probably not going to sit out here much, but it's all right. There's a safe in the room. There's a little rubber bumper on the... Where are you going, baby girl? And there's a fridge and microwave and a coffee maker. And that's it. That's the room. It's pretty nice. It will work for us.